I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods, and today we are going to be making a pesto in a Vitamix. So the recipe that I'm using is a traditional Italian recipe for pesto, and you can make a lot of pesto and put it into ice cube trays and freeze it down and then pull it out as you need it. So we're going to get started. First we're going to start with some basil, and you're going to take off the big parts of the stem. We have all of the basil in the blender. We're gonna put in about 8 grams of walnuts and 10 grams of pine nuts. All right, so we have our basil, walnuts, pine nuts in here. We're going to add our Parmesan and a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. And some olive oil to get this started. I'm gonna use about. All right, so we're gonna make sure the lid's on tight. We're gonna turn it on. Presto, you have pesto. So that's pretty much all you gotta do. You can put these, if you make a larger amount than we did here, you can put it in ice cube trays and freeze it down and pull it out as you need it. And that's pretty much it. And that's your pesto, and you can add it to some delicious pasta or whatever it is that you want to use it for. All right, so if you enjoyed our video, smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.